Welcome to Different Grain Woodworking. I'm Greg Thomas, this is my wife Linda Thomas, and we are the owners of Different Grain Woodworking. We're going to give you a short tour today of our workshop that will enable you to see what kind of services we are able to offer you. Okay, this is our planer. We'll take this, reference off this side, and it'll be a perfect parallel board. Edges. That's how you take it. Now we'll rip this for whatever we're making, whether we're making table legs, tabletop. So we make sure that both of these edges are parallel to each other. These are 90 degrees. This will go on the table saw to make that 90 degrees, rather than go and buy a piece that doesn't fit our needs.